everybody, today I'm going to make cheeseburger bites. I've already drained the grease and cooked 1 pound of ground beef. You could also use turkey in this and it would be a healthier choice. It has like less saturated fat. I have only made this with ground beef, but next time I might try turkey. And then 4 egg whites. The egg yolk holds all the cholesterol, so we're getting rid of the yolks today. I'm going to separate all of the yolks out from the whites. This is kind of a tedious process. Alright, so now to the ground beef, I'm going to add in the 4 egg whites. And then I shredded a half a cup of cheese, a half a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm just going to eyeball about a half a cup. Then a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Three tablespoons of mustard. The bottle is almost empty. Or is empty. Okay. 3 tablespoons of mustard. Relish. My children are opposite. One really loves relish and one does not like it and refuses to eat it. So I'll make a couple of them without relish and then I'll put some relish in the other ones. Now we stir all the ingredients. I'm going to spray my muffin tin. I'm going to add in all of the meat. Need to add a little bit of relish on top of some of these. Alright, so they're going to go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 23 to 25 minutes. So while the cheeseburger bites are cooking, I'm going to show you how to make the cheese sauce for the cauliflower. So I got the cauliflower boiling, well, coming up to boil. I added 2 tablespoons of butter. And now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of flour. So now, this is called a roux, if you don't already know. You want this to just kind of thicken up a little bit to form like a paste. You want it to get thick now because this is what's going to make your sauce thick. Alright, so now it's bubbling up. I'm going to slowly add 1 cup of milk. You can add dairy, you can add oat, you can add almond, whatever milk that you want. Just add it in there slowly. Get my cheese. I'm going to take that off the stove so it doesn't burn. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of cheese. You can add whatever cheese you want. I'm going to use cheddar. You could use Gouda. You could use mozzarella. It's just going to change the flavors. I also like to shred my cheese because it melts better. You can also add this on the cheeseburger bites, honestly. I'm sure it'd be really good. There it is. Alright, this is what they look like after 23 minutes. I'm definitely going to double them next time, just so I can get a whole full cup. Well, but they are done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.